Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy Case Study by skilled MBA. Daikin Industries, founded in 1924, has strategically pivoted over the decades to maintain its market leadership. Initially focused on air conditioning, Daikin expanded its portfolio through innovation and strategic acquisitions. This adaptability has been crucial in navigating industry shifts and maintaining resilience in a competitive landscape. Daikin Industries, founded in 1924 in Osaka, Japan, initially focused on aircraft components. Post-World War II, the company adeptly shifted to refrigeration and air conditioning technologies, aligning with Japan's economic restructuring. This strategic pivot was crucial in establishing Daikin as a global leader in climate control solutions. Founded in 1924 by Akira Yamada in Osaka, Daikin initially focused on aircraft components. Post-World War II, the company adeptly shifted to refrigeration and air conditioning, aligning with Japan's economic restructuring. This strategic pivot established Daikin as a global leader in climate control solutions, setting the stage for its future innovations in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technologies. Daikin's focused research and development investment propelled it to become the world's second-largest fluorocarbon producer, thanks to dedicated chemical engineering research. The company pioneered advanced cooling systems, balancing performance with environmental considerations. Even during economic downturns, Daikin's consistent innovation in research and development created a sustainable competitive advantage, reinforcing its leadership in climate control solutions. Daikin's technological journey began in 1924 with aircraft components, evolving into early cooling technologies by the 1950s. The 1960s to 1980s saw a focus on fluorocarbon expertise and residential air conditioning units. From the 1990s, energy efficiency innovations and variable refrigerant systems emerged, leading to smart climate control and eco-friendly refrigerants in the 2010s. Noriyuki Inoue's leadership propelled Daikin from a Japanese manufacturer to a global climate control leader. His strategy involved strategic international acquisitions, operational excellence frameworks, and a balanced approach to centralization and localization. Inoue's long-term environmental commitment further solidified Daikin's position in the global market. Daikin's global expansion strategy is evident in its operations across 160 countries, supported by 100 production bases. This extensive reach is bolstered by a robust financial performance, with R67,000 crore in annual revenue and a diverse workforce of over 80,000 employees, ensuring a blend of expertise and cultural insights. Key acquisitions have been pivotal in Daikin's growth. In 2006, acquiring OYL Industries expanded its Southeast Asian presence. The 2008 acquisition of Rotex GmbH enhanced heating systems expertise in Europe. Goodman Global's acquisition in 2012 bolstered North American market penetration, while AHT Cooling Systems in 2018 expanded commercial refrigeration technology. Rising global temperatures drive increased air conditioning demand, yet emissions must be reduced. Stricter regulations target refrigerants and energy efficiency, while consumers seek eco-friendly products. The industry faces a competitive race to innovate sustainable technologies, balancing environmental impact with market needs. Daikin has pioneered the R32 refrigerant, offering a 66% reduction in global warming potential. Their inverter technology cuts power consumption by up to 30%, while advanced heat pumps decrease fossil fuel reliance. Additionally, Daikin's refrigerant recovery and recycling initiatives support a circular economy, enhancing environmental sustainability. The goal is a 75% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions by 2050, using 2015 as a baseline. By 2025, product energy efficiency is set to improve by 30%. Additionally, by 2050, all manufacturing operations aim to be powered entirely by renewable energy sources, ensuring a sustainable future. Daikin's strategic response model emphasizes adapting core business to external pressures, ensuring resilience. Consistent research and development investment fosters long-term innovation, maintaining technological leadership. Operational excellence is achieved through disciplined execution and manufacturing expertise. Proactive environmental adaptation addresses sustainability challenges, aligning with global environmental goals and enhancing competitive advantage. Daikin's history shows that innovation flourishes under pressure, as seen in its post-war and climate-driven pivots. Long-term research and development investment has secured technological leadership. Noriyuki Inoue's vision transformed Daikin into a global powerhouse. Sustainability is achieved through a systematic approach, integrating environmental considerations into every facet of the business. Daikin's centennial marks a pivotal moment, balancing market leadership with climate challenges. Key opportunities include smart building integration, zero-carbon solutions, and climate adaptation technologies. Success hinges on harmonizing innovation, profitability, and environmental stewardship, especially in emerging markets with rising heating, ventilation, and air conditioning demand. Thank you, and for more insights into companies shaping the future through innovation and purpose, connect with Skilled MBA. Reach us at +91 87553 00795 or support skilledmba.com. Visit our website at https://skilledmba.com.